shirt, Ethan, or we'll pick up.
Okay.
Get the pen before you touch the board. There you go.
Which way is good?
It's not me.
There you go.
Okay.
Ethan, talk through it.
This is a beautiful car. This is beautiful.
Okay, read the question.
Okay.
Megan's car is balanced.
Let Ethan talk.
Megan's car is balanced extremely well. How much filament did we use? Measure the area of Megan's car.
Okay, so start talking through it. What did you do first, Ethan?
I figured out how tall the car is.
Okay.
So it's
I'm going to write down
One, two, oh sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Then what?
And then 8. I put each row is 8. No, I put 8, 16, and then I keep on going up.
Oh, he counted by 8s across.
And then I figured.
just go 1, 2, 3.
And then I figured out there's 2 left, so we add 6 instead of 8 anymore.
So that one's 22. Oh, I see what he's. Do you guys see what he's doing? He counted by 8 until there was 2 missing. Now he's counting by 6s. So then 8 and 8 is 16. Then he added 2. Then subtracted 6. And then he went 6. Counted by 6s.
40. And then we do it 6 times.
I think this is probably longer than you need to make it. Okay, then you count by 8 again.
Yeah.
Then so it's 54.
And then we count by 4s.
Okay. Everybody, hold on for a second. Is this how you got the different number? What's the area of the back of square? Is it 54?
I did it like this. So
Is it
I did.
54?
So Mr. Kennedy, want to know what I did?
Okay, this is why I think you got 94. Hit undo, okay?
Undo a lot.
Well, you need to erase that stuff.
That's the pen, not the.
Ethan, there's an easier way. Ethan's easy way to do it. How tall is the square and how wide is the square?
Square? This square?
Not the rectangle missing, the whole square in the back. Do you see the whole square?
This square?
No.
Well, that's a rectangle in the middle.
This square. 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
8.
64
So
minus.
it's 64, right, 64 down.
64.
But what's missing at 64?
12. 12.
12. What's that?
52.
Okay. Okay. Now go to the next one, Ethan.
This is 4 by 5, so it's 20.
Okay. Is that 20?
Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6. Okay, okay.
Okay, it's 24?
Yeah.
Okay, then there's one rectangle left.
It's 2 times 8, so it's 16.
Now what happens when you add those up?
20. So this is. It's I like adding the 6s and the
One write it
4s.
down and you're gonna
6. 20 plus 20 equals 40.
So that's
40.
30, and then 52. So
That's 90. 92. 92.
Hey, Kaylee won't want to talk, but Kaylee had this really good read. You don't want to talk yet. So let's give her credit.
I did.
Give Maddie the microphone because Maddie's gonna explain what Kaylee did.
I just
Okay, read your pen.
Okay.
So Maddie, what did Kaylee do?
What Kaylee did is that she made this. She made the.
Escape, Jason. There we go.
She made the she just ignored all the holes and then she counted all the squares
Okay.
as a
Oh,
one
go ahead,
point
count.
so
To the left to right.
Yeah.
You have to-
so there would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's 16 that way, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would be 8. And then we would do 16 times 8. And that would be 16, 122. And then,
I meant 128.
oh yeah, 120. Wow. I don't know, I didn't do the math.
And then, what else are you doing now, Maddie?
And then, okay, and
What
then,
did Kaylee do next? Then,
and then Kaylee, she counted all the boxes, and each of these are 12. 12,
32.
and then you add, and then 12 times 3 is 36, and then you minus that from the total, and then you have your answer of 92. You could just do 12 minus 3 equals 9.
girl who won't talk to me.
Yay!
I did the exact same thing, but I got 22 instead of 28.
Oh, okay.
Error.
I'm so impressed. No, we made it shorter, I think. Oh. Hey, Kai, will you go save this?